guys, I'm currently packing. I'm leaving to Florida. My flight is tomorrow at 7 a.m. So we're just gonna stay up all night. The best part of staying up all night is the fact that the Mets are playing the Dodgers. It gives me something to do. It's 11:25. I'm currently packing, but I want to at least explain like how this trip is gonna go. My niece turns 6 years old tomorrow. Her birthday is June 4th. So happy birthday, Ellie. Everyone please comment happy birthday, Ellie. Then the next day is actually my aunt's birthday. Today's really pre-travel day, because I'm just gonna fast forward this into tomorrow. I'm gonna show the clothes that I'm packing. Do know we're only going to Universal, but the first day being that we're going to Islands of Adventure, I just made this Spider-Man shirt with my Cricut machine. I wish I would have recorded with me making it, but honestly, because it was getting late, I was just like, let me get it done. With shorts. The second day, which I said was the other side of Universal Studios, and we're all gonna be Minions, so we needed to wear yellow, so I just have yellow with some blue pants. And then the third day that we're gonna be in Universal is Super Mario Land, so I'm gonna be Toad, but I have shorts. These are the 3 days. We're also gonna have a birthday dinner for the 2 birthday girls, so I have a dress. I have like just in case outfits, so I'm gonna grab some PJs. Like I said, it's big Let's Go Mets energy now. 1:17, the Dodgers just walked it off. Putting clothes on hangers right now. The least amount of work I have to do when I come back from vacation, the better. It's still Let's Go Mets, by the way. You gotta match the suitcase.